10mm drill bit. It's an M8 T-nut, but it's 10mm on the outside there, so it basically simply just drill your holes in, get your T-nut, hammer them into the back. Right. Obviously this is the bit that faces outwards where the holes are going to go. Grab your holes. M8 nut, bolt, sorry. Just doing it with an Allen key. See, the bolt starts coming out on the other side. You can obviously make your own holes as well. That's one I made out of it. Finally, the other way of attaching holes to the wall usually would be just plain screws into the front. There you go. There is, of course, those are 8mm T-nuts. This is a 10mm T-nut, a bit rusty, but you get the idea. That's more of a standard size T-nut that they use at climbing walls a lot, and this just happens to be the ones I used because the holes I bought drilled for 8mm. I've not had any problems with them snapping or anything like that ever. I used them for a good couple of years, so. And also the ones I've got there, they're zinc plated, so they don't rust.